Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to send work to your client on Upwork. First, log into your Upwork account, go to the My Job section, and select the contract you're working on. Once your work is ready, click on Submit Work for payment. Attach the final files or documents that you want to send to the client. You can also add a message to explain the work or give any instructions. After that, click Submit to send your work to the client. The client will review it, and once approved, you'll receive payment. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.